Hello, welcome to Math Made Simple. In this session, we are going to solve for x in the given equation. To solve this problem, you need to bring to mind two important principles that state a to power m multiplied by a to power n is equal to a m plus n. The second principle is a to power m divided by a to power n is equal to a m minus n. Now let's get back to the problem. We write the equation as follows: 2 to the power of 5, which is equal to 32, open the brackets, x minus 3 multiplied by 2 to the power of 3, which is equal to 8, into brackets, x plus 4, close the bracket, is equal to 64 is 2 to the power of 6 divided by 2 to the power of x. Another important consideration that you need to have in mind is this one here, that is a to the power of m. Let's say it's a bracket, n is the same as a m n. In other words, we can go ahead and open or expand these brackets. Let's take the left-hand side, for instance, 2 to the power of 5 into brackets, x minus 3, close the bracket, multiply by 2 to the power of 3 into brackets, x plus 4. Remember what we've just said here. So we expand these brackets by multiplying through by 5 here and by 3 here. So you'll have 2 to the power of 5x minus 15 multiplied by 2 to the power of 3x plus 12. Now, bring to mind this particular principle whereby we have 2 and 2, which is the same as 8 power m and 8 power n, which is equal to a m plus n. We sum the indices. In this particular case, what we have is 2 to the power of 5x minus 15 plus 3x plus 12. So like terms together, you have 2, 5x, and 3x. You sum them up, it's 8x, negative 5 plus 12, that is minus 3, is equal to the right-hand side here, 2 to the power of 6 divided by 2 to the power of x. Remember this principle that a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. Therefore, in this particular case, you have 2 to the power of 6 divided by 2 to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of 6 minus x. Therefore, what you have is 2 to the power of 8x minus 3 is equal to 2 to the power of 6 minus x. We have common bases, 2, so we can strike them off and pick the powers. That is 8x minus 3 is equal to 6 minus x. So you bring negative x on this side and negative 3 on the other side. You'll have bring like terms, that is 8x plus x is equal to 6 plus 3. So on the left hand side you have 9x is equal to 9. So the value of x, you divide both sides by 9. On the left hand side, you're left with 1. On the right hand side, you have 1. So the value of x is equal to 1. If you have any question or comment, please don't hesitate to share in the comment section, or else please remember to like and subscribe to this channel.